I think first thing we all have to do and influence all the people around us is to stop this nonsense about kids are using ChatGPT to cheat. Right? This is not cheating any more than using Word or Photoshop. The kids, when they go into the workplace, are going to be measured based on the final output of their work. They're not going to be measured on, well, did you use ChatGPT, did you use Google search? So I think we need to encourage people to harness AI and use all the tools so that they can be the best that they can be. And also it's a great guide to what things they can aspire to and what things are not worth following. I think that's incredibly important, is to harness, embrace AI and stop trying to catch people cheating. This is not cheating. This is producing great output. It's not any more cheating than Fortune journalists using Microsoft Word, spell checking, or a Fortune photographer using Photoshop. This is ChatGPT. It's a tool. Everyone should use it and learn from it, and embrace it.